How to change font in Shopify product description. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change font in your Shopify product descriptions. Well, in order to change the font in your Shopify product descriptions, you want to navigate to the online store option first. So head into admin.shopify.com, there log into your account and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left here and then tap on online store. Under online store, you want to head into themes, and under themes, you want to head into customize. So you can see the customize option. So you can tap on it. Once you tap on customize here, you want to head into theme option. So you can see theme settings, tap on three dots at the top and then select the theme settings option. Now under theme, you'll find here the option here typography. You can see, tap on it. And now you can see headings, body, layout. You can select your desired font and size for your body text. So this is how you can easily change font in Shopify product description. So this is the body one to change your product description. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues as well.